Hi, I'm Nick Corlick and I'm with Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn, Saskatchewan. And I want to show you today the Sporttrek 332 VBH travel trailer. The nice thing about this, it's got brand new graphics for 2021. We're going to show you a sneak preview of everything that's on this as we go through. But before I forget, I want you to be watching some of these things. Check out the photographs online other than just this video to see specifically what is on the trailer that you're going to be getting. There's been a lot of shortages in the factories and they've upgraded some features for the same price for you, but I don't want to be overselling something that's not there for you. So make sure you check out the photographs. Brand new frontage on the face of it, power tongue jack of course, huge pass-through storage. Right across the side, you'll see there's lots of room in here. You can put 2 or 3 bodies in there if you wanted to, and you can still have lights on as well for them. So that's kind of nice for you. Slam latch on all the doors here as well, so that you're not searching in the dark for the key to open up just to grab something quick out of the storage compartment. This particular unit has the frameless windows, which you're going to really like. These, what I like about them is that they open up this way as opposed to this way, so that when they're open, even in the rain, you're not going to get rain coming into your coach. It's going to just fall off just like an awning with this. Stabilizer jacks. All trailers have the stabilizer jacks on it, but what's nice about the Sporttrek, they've designed these so that they're sitting at an angle. That gives you kind of a bind that you don't have that smooth rocking if they're all facing this way, or if they're facing this way, you don't have that flow going like that. So it's covered to give you more stability. As we go down the side of the 332 VBH, you'll see the solid steps, and these are nice because they don't bounce that trailer as you're walking into it, and it stays solid. You can adjust the legs so if there's any uneven ground here as well. Wide track axles, nice for towing. This particular unit has the door off the bathroom as well. And something that most companies do not do, they've also put the solid steps right on here. This is great because it's got a huge bathroom, and it's great for the kids. They don't have to go through the whole trailer just to use the washroom when you're out at the campsite. Right near the end, you have the large outside kitchen and entertainment center. So you do have an outside television. You have the stereo system so you can control it and watch right out here. The kids can be watching a movie or DVD outside. You can be watching one on the inside if you so desire, or vice versa, of course. The stovetop and sink for doing the dishes. You have breakfast ready for the family before everybody gets up. You can have the bacon and eggs being made right outside here rather than inside the coach and having all that grease inside. On the back of the Sporttrek 332 VBH this year, what they've added for everybody is a hitch. So you can put your bike rack into that. It is perfect for bike rack or other storage capacities that will fit on there. It's prepped for the backup camera. Okay, inside the Sporttrek 332 VBH, right inside the door, place to hang the coats. And that's something that a lot of people are asking for, especially ones with family, with kids and everything that are traveling. Up above that is the complete control panel. On this other side, it has the hidden storage compartment for charging center. So you can put your phones up in here, you can charge them up through AC or USB port. And it's hidden. Nobody really notices it. I'm going to show you the bedroom right here because it's got a nice wide opening, so it gives a whole new wide feel to it. Something that was on the front of the trailer, if you notice the nose cap, it was a nice glossy look. It's a bright window, but there's a blind that comes down so that it can darken it right up for you. In behind, we have USB ports as well as plug-ins on both sides. And that's enough space that you can even put a CPAP machine in there if you need. 60 by 80 queen bed, so it's a full residential queen. And on each side you have closets. Above you have loads of storage space. As we step out the bedroom and into the kitchen, you have the pantry. And it's nice space. It's got a nice deep area here, as well as the glass bin up on top. Lots of space for cereal and the like. Looking down at the U-shaped dinette, and the material that we have on this is new for Sporttrek again. It's a pliable material, but it's very nice to keep clean. and the clean edge on the table. It's a nice wood look finish to it, and when you look at this, it's got clean edges so that you don't get grime caught in the edge of the table like on some of the older style do. Underneath the dinette, storage, but check out the huge trough that you've got here. You can fill that with product inside, haul it out, and then put it right in. You don't have to be making a whole pile of trips if you didn't want to. Right across from the fridge and the entertainment center are the recliners. The recliners have heated seats, they have massage seats, and of course they recline. And it's a theater seating, so directly across from that is the television.
Another option on our 332 VBH is this King U dinette. So you have a removable table, your extra sleeping space is going to flip out over here, so lots of room for guests. You can have a full family movie night with friends. You also are going to get 2 very large size drawers for extra storage.
Again, loads of storage above it. Has a nice fireplace, so at nighttime you got a place to sit, have a beverage or 5, and just watch some television. Going back onto the kitchen, we're going to move back and forth here for you. Looking first off the bat is their handy dandy cutting board. And they've actually made a specific venture cutting board instead, because they now have this foldable sink cover. And so, now this is covered with plastic here. You will take that off before you use it, of course. But it's nice because it's so easy to store. And you can actually use that for setting plates in for drying. But you've got a cutting board that is residential quality. Stovetop, microwave, of course. Now this is something that is different. 12-volt fridges. These are bigger fridges, and you'll find that they run 12 volts, so they're not running on the propane, but we've also added the solar panel for top, so it will always charge your battery. You can run this as you're traveling down the highway. It's safe. You have a larger space. It's a 10 cubic foot fridge, and it cools faster than what the propane or the dual type fridges work on. Going towards the bunk room, more storage. You can use this for a linen closet if you want, for the kids' clothes, or more pantry space if you like. And there's removable shelves, so you can adjust those for what your requirements are. Inside the bunk room of the 332 VBH, it has a nice deep slide, and this particular one has like theater seating, but because you can have the cup holders down, you've got a nice clean edge table again. This will lay down into a bed, so you've got a bed at the bottom with storage underneath. You've got a bunk on top. On the flip side, you've got nice wide bunk on the top. It'll hold up to 500 pounds. This is the narrower bunk, but check out again, storage space. So you've got lots of areas that you can store things for the kids. Now, if that wasn't enough storage space inside the bunk room, check out the closet. So you've got a place to hang the clothes, plus you can put their games and stuff up top here. So again, thinking for you, lots of areas for storage for the family, but a lot of space just so that they can, if they're stuck inside, they've got something to do. Now, inside the bathroom, our camera is coming from the outside door looking in. So this is on the left-hand side from inside, but from the outside, it's a nice vanity area. Again, space for storage, place to do makeup and the like. We've got a nice big mirror on the side. As we work our way down, you'll see porcelain toilet bowl and foot flush, and then beautiful shower and nice size in there, as well as the sink with the medicine cabinet up above. Now, also in the bathroom is the LevelMate Pro. And what that is it's not an automatic leveling or anything like that, but it does assist you in leveling your trailer. You don't have to bring your level with you. You can just use this as an app on your phone that as you're leveling out your trailer, it'll show you that if the left rear is too high or too low, and you can adjust it from that. So it's another handy thing that only Venture has in any of our product lines. Alrighty, well that is it for the Sporttrek 332 VBH. So things to remember that I may have said and I may not have said. One is that it has the solar panel on the roof already included at no extra cost to you, and it will keep that battery charged so you can always have your fridge running. It has the Level Mate Pro, nice tall ceilings. So I'm going to ask you, check out our website to see more available trailers for you. In the meantime, I'm Nick with Minard's Leisure World, serving 2 locations, Weyburn and Watrous in Saskatchewan.